we got a different setup, different setup. I just got finished eating some cheese breadsticks from Papa Gino's. Or is it Papa John's? I don't know. Same difference, tomato. So if you see them rolls, mind your business. I'm sorry, I'm a little hunched down. I gotta make sure I'm in the camera view. I hope y'all aren't tilted, because if y'all are, I am so sorry in advance, okay? I said this in my last video, and I'm gonna say this in every video. If you guys hear some chickens cocking and locking and rocking, I am so sorry. There are chickens outside my window. They're just doing what they gotta do, and I can't get them to stop. So that's not gonna stop me from making y'all content. I wanted to make a video for beginners gym bag. My gym bag. I've been going to the gym for how many years now? Okay, I've always played sports, but I have been going to the gym for 6 years now, okay? I can't believe it, 6 years? Oh, what? Now, I will say I took a little like 2-year break. When I say 2-year break, meaning I still went to the gym, but it wasn't consistent. That's where all these rolls came from. But I know how to get back in shape. I know how to do the shebang shaboom. I wanted to make this video for anybody who feels like they need a lot of stuff, or you know, what should they put in their bag. It's 2023. It's about to be 2024 soon. It's April. Actually, it's May. It's May 1st. Shoot. That's beyond me. At this point, we are flying through the year. Any year. I'm not even gonna put what year this is. I'm going to make sure y'all have this video forever. Alright? So, with that being said. So again, I wanted to make a beginner gym, what's in my gym bag video. And you know, I want to show y'all what I carry with me and what I recommend you carry. I don't carry anything crazy. I've been going to the gym for years. People who are crazy in the fitness world, they'll carry like this, that. It's not that difficult. It's not. Honestly, sometimes I can go to the gym with a backpack. Sometimes I can just go to the gym with my little fanny pack and have little things that I need. It just depends on the type of day. But for the most part, I like a gym bag for emergency things, or things that is just like, you just want everything in one spot and you don't feel like having multiple bags, or you're forgetting this, you're forgetting that. I'm gonna make this sweet, simple, and easy for y'all to have, okay? Now, I will have to admit, I did not clean my gym bag out, so you about to see the real deal of what's in my gym bag, okay? So, if you see something crazy, please don't judge me, all right? But I'm going to show y'all everything in the gym bag, and I'm gonna make a mess kind of on my bed. So, boom. This is the gym bag, all right? Nike. It's a black Nike gym bag. Now, I cannot lie, I've changed my gym bag 1,000,001 times. I've had an Adidas bag, I've had an Under Armour bag like 8 times. I had Nike bag in different colors. I kind of really want a pink Nike bag. If I can find one, I'm gonna get it, period. There's no talking about it, all right? I just can't find one right now, so I'm gonna have to go online. Look at what y'all did. Saving our money. This channel is for anybody trying to be the best version of themselves, financially, physically, emotionally, mentally, any of those things. If you're trying to be the best version of yourself, this is what this channel is for. So financially, I need to calm down. I need to not just buy anything I see, okay? We can still look good on a budget, period. All right? Bag I have. Honestly, I got this bag from Hibbett Sports. It was only $40, and I believe this is a size, they say small, but like I believe it's like a large. It's like a large, period. Okay, but I love this bag. It's lasted me for years. Actually, I have 2. I would show it to you, but the other ones in the closet, y'all probably gonna be like, really, what do you need 2 bags for? That's not what we're here to talk about, okay? That's not what we're here to talk about. But yeah, I'm just gonna quickly get into this. But like I said, if you're a beginner, this video will be for you. This is honestly probably what you'll need. You don't need nothing crazy. That's what I'm about to show you. So let's get started. Now, don't mind my rolls. Mind your business. Like I said, I've been eating good, but we're gonna get back in shape, okay? We're gonna get back to it, all right? So, when I go to the gym, this is the first thing I gotta have. Some big Gucci water. I need a gallon of water or 3 liters. One of the 2 is fine with me. I like a gallon. I prefer a gallon. I kind of get annoyed from holding this little handle, but the water tastes good. I don't care if it's Walmart Great Value water. For all you bougie people drinking bougie water, I can drink a gallon of Great Value. That tastes fine to me. Any water is fine, just not the water at the gym. That's just not for me. Preference, okay? Get you some water. You can get you a water bottle or whatever, but go just have some water on you, because you gonna need it. You may die, all right? So I'm gonna go into my little side pocket, little mesh. All right. So I gotta carry me some Victoria's Secret pink perfume. The pink. I carry a body spray in my bag. Honestly, like, did I just rub my eye? I did. I carry some body spray on me because guess what? You don't want to smell crazy when you go to the gym. Now, you should already smell pretty decent before emergency. If you feel like you're not confident in your body odor for whatever reason, if you're going through body odor problems, it's fine. Just go ahead and I recommend a shower and everything, but like, let's say you just came from work or something like that, and you just feel like you want to smell like really good, and you're gonna be running on a treadmill, or you have a problem with smelling really fast. You have some body spray before you go to the gym. You know, spray yourself, go work out. When you're done, it should wear off. You can go home, get in the shower, you're good to go. But like, you know, if I'm going straight from work or whatever and I go to the gym, period, some body spray. This is just Cool and Bright, but I put any body splash or body spray in my bag just for emergency cases, just case I don't feel comfortable, or I feel like I want to smell like something really good and there's a lot of people in there and I'm just, you know, I just want to smell like something delicious. I go ahead and put me a body spray in there. So I recommend it for you too. Beginners, have a body spray, period. You don't need it, but you may like it, okay? Okay, that's all that was in that pocket. Let's go into the front pocket. This Nike little, it's like a little zip, all right? I'm gonna go to that. Y'all gonna laugh at me for this, because when I get more into the bag, y'all gonna be like, really? You don't need all that. Like, you don't need any of this stuff actually, for real, but this is what I have, okay? So I got me some gloves, all right? I'm gonna show you gloves on my hands. Boom, okay? Cute. Put them on. Okay, now I don't wear them just because they're cute. I wear them because I get calluses. Is that what's called? Right here. And when I'm pulling weights and stuff like that, I have weak forearms, and this kind of helps with my grip a little bit. I like to have some type of gloves in my bag, so when I'm picking up heavy weights, or, you know, I'm lifting kind of heavy, boom. Got me some gloves, extra grip. I forgot what brand this is, but I do need to recommend it to y'all for real, because I only buy these. Okay. we finding out what's in my bag together, okay? So this is my Beats charger, okay? This is beginner friendly. You're gonna need some charger, like a charger for your headphones, okay? Just in case you forget to charge them. Or just so you know where your charger is, you might want to have it in your gym bag. Of course, just what I said, I got my Beats. Okay, in this pocket, we're gonna go in this pocket right here. I don't know if I have anything in there. I might. I think I do. We're gonna go in this side pocket. So first I went from this pocket to this pocket. Now we're in this pocket, okay? I keep a pair of Vans in there. Wow, they're really dusty. That's crazy. You clearly see I don't really use them like that. But I keep a pair of flat shoes in here if I'm doing leg day, and I hate leg days. So clearly you see I'm skipping. Oh, I'm skipping certain days that I'm supposed to be doing. But my leg day version is when I'm skating. I do that for leg day. Now we're gonna go into the main pocket. The main pocket. The first thing I have is like this little bag. Oh, handles. I believe this was called handles. The gloves that I was showing y'all. I just remember, for some reason I remembered only when I seen this logo. But these are the bags for them. But I think it's called handles. Handles with a Z. But yeah, I used one of the bags for one of my gloves, and I put headbands, ponytails, like emergency things, like if I need to like wrap my hair up real quick or wear something for my edges, because you know sometimes our edges be receding, or sometimes they just, if I'm wearing a wig, my edges are lifting, my wig is lifting. I just I can't be embarrassed in the gym. So I recommend this for people who are worried about their edges. Have some headbands, ponytails, or something for your hair or your edges. Have it in your gym bag. See, this is gonna be real easy. Oh my gosh, right here. Handles, yeah. So that's the brand name. Yeah. But anyway, I love them so much. I got them almost another color. So this is the second bag, and these are more gloves if I want to pair them up with outfits. Like I say, you don't need to have all this as a beginner, but I'm telling y'all, y'all should have a pair of gloves if you have hand problems like me, people commented about your rough hands. You don't want to hear that comment no more. Go ahead and get you some gloves. So I got me some pink ones. Isn't that not cute? If I wore like all black and then put some pink ones on, like, and I'm like, you know? But you know, got the little pink on the paw, and then the front is pink. Got the little Z. I got me a pair of purple ones. Like, come on now. I seen purple, I said, though. Into the checkout bag. I forgot how much these are cost, but they're really not that expensive. But yeah, purple, and they got the purple on the paw. You know, change it up. I'm gonna take me some pre-workout. I know it's not the best for you, but I'm gonna do it, all right? C4s are probably like the worst thing you could probably take. So I have these as emergencies, and this is like all I seen at the time, like when I was in a rush to fix them up. Found me some C4s. I only like fruit punch of the C4s. But yeah, 30 servings. Got me some pre-workout in there. And then, but actually the one I mainly use that I really like is Bucked Up, because it's not as strong as C4s. It's more like, it gives you a pump, but then it calms down. C4s, someone told me when I went to go buy some C4s one time, the guy who was like kind of selling it at like, what's it called? The GNC. The guy was like, oh, when I drink C4s, I feel like I can pick up the gym and throw it down. I said, oh, that's what drugs, I'm assuming that's a drug then, because you shouldn't feel like. So I try not to do all that, but Bucked Up, it does well. I know there's another one called Woke. I think it's Woke as fuck. Excuse my language. Woke AF. I think it is. I don't know. Maybe it's just Woke. I don't know. Don't quote me on that. But that one's way stronger than this one. But Bucked Up is just Bucked Up. Woke is like, are you awake or not? And then like protein, and now y'all gonna laugh when I show y'all this, because this is what I'm telling you. It's a beginner video. I've told one of my good friends, like, you don't need what all these influencers are showing. Like, they're, oh, get this kind and you'll look exact. Yeah, you may look different, but to start off, you need to get just the main things you need. And then once you start seeing, okay, this isn't really working for me, or I like this but I want more of, like, once you start learning more about it, then you're going to be able to pick different types of proteins, pre-workouts, BCAAs, like whatever the situation is. You're going to be able to pick them out. But as a beginner, I think you should just stick to the simplest things and branch off from there. So honestly, this is what I used when I started to work out, and I loved it because I looked very good, very toned, very in shape. I just ate clean, had some protein, had a pre-workout if I needed it, BCAAs if I needed it, but other than that, I never needed to go get a certain brand. Now maybe because I'm not into the fitness world like that, like heavy, but this does the job, okay, period. And then I have this little I don't even know what this is called, but I know I use it for my forearms. Oh, actually it hurts right now, this one. But for my forearms, I have weak forearms, so at times it can hurt when I'm like lifting, and if I'm trying to work on my biceps. My forearms will probably give in before my biceps. Like, I could probably lift it, but my forearms are weak, so I have to learn how to practice using one of these. But as a beginner, I don't think you need one of these unless you have weak forearms. But if you see a tool like this, go ahead and tell them you're gonna need to put that in the buggy, okay? In my little side, I have like a little side pocket, like on the side. I put some makeup wipes just case, like when I'm done out of the gym. Like, I have acne prone skin, so I need to clean off whatever sweat or nastiness hit my face or whatever as quick as possible. Sometimes I'll keep wipes in my gym bag if I need to like just freshen up real quick. But for the most part, I'm on my way home and I'm gonna get in the shower. In like pockets like these, I carry Mercy tampons, and some chapstick. I think it's good to have tampons just case, or pads, or whatever you like to use, just in case you start your period, or you know, you're working out and you feel like it's kind of, you know, your tampon's out or your pad is out. You need to have something backup, because you're not about to be working out stinking, doing this and that, and you know you leaking like crazy. It's sitting on the bench. Like, please have some respect for yourself and for others, all right? I clearly do. I carry some backup ones just in case. Or if a girl like is like working out, she's like, oh my god, I need a tampon, but I don't want to leave the gym. Girl, I got you. Here you go. You're welcome. But yeah, that's all that's in my gym bag. The only other things that I would kind of pack in my gym bag, like, and the reason why I have a gym bag is if I gotta go to work and like I want to go to the gym after work or whatever, or if I'm out already and I want to go to the gym eventually, like if I want to go hang out with someone or anything like that. I have my gym bag already packed. I could put my clothes, my workout clothes in the bag, and just go work out. You know, I don't gotta worry about, oh, like I gotta go home and do this. I just carry everything I need in this bag. So the only other thing I would probably add is, you know, gym clothes. If I were to go to a gym that had like showers and stuff like that, and I wanted to use the shower because like I'm gonna go to another destination afterwards, I would probably have my shower stuff in the bag as well. But I don't really do all that. My gym doesn't have a shower, so I don't have to worry about that. But like I said, you know, for my gym bag, I would have workout clothes. I would probably have wipes in there if I'm gonna be out and stuff. But for the most part, I want to show you guys, as beginners, you don't need a lot. I've been going to the gym for like 6 years now, and I'm still like, I've been eating real good. I've been having a long break, and I don't look terrible, but for the most part, I clearly am happy with the results I had in the past because they have lasted me a long time, and I didn't need crazy protein, crazy pre-workout, crazy these tools in my bag. The only other thing I need to get back in my bag is resistant bands, because I love resistant bands. They help me stretch out, but I don't need a bunch of crazy stuff chilling in my bag. I just need what I need, and I need it to be simple, so I can just go to the gym and be able to be like, all right, not go like it's a school backpack. Like, this is not your school backpack, this is the gym bag. Make it easy, be able to grab what you need and get up out of there. But if you guys like videos like this, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you guys love videos about being the best version of yourself, financially, emotionally, mentally, physically, whatever it may be, make sure to stay tuned. If you guys like videos like that, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.